Need a skateboard. I had to use two different pieces because I didn't want it two different colors. And I did it in a line, like correctly. That's over here printing. Wow! Wow!
I was Abby and I was in 4th hour Mr. Harmon's and I made this Unikitty using Tinkercad. I used mostly Scribble. And I made this turtle using no Scribble. And I made this Rapunzel with a flowing dress.
Scribble to make the heart and I turned it red. Text and typed in Be Mine. I'm Mackenzie Morales and today I will be showing you this cool trophy heart that I made on Tinkercad.
Hi everyone, this is Danielle and this is my Tinkercad jet, and the cool thing about it is that if you go inside that I put in there, they're like super tiny, but I also made star windows.
A very simple creation that is terrifying. The license plate says fish because why not?
Guys, I'm from Mr. Harmon's 1st hour. He showed us how to make that, but I made this. And he said that he was gonna be able to print one for me, so hopefully he can. I was Mr. Harmon's class, and made this monkey. It looks awesome. Dylan from HLModTech. I'm in his 1st hour. He taught us how to make this, but I learned how to do this all by myself.
I'm Fisher in 5th hour ModTech and I made this jet.
Face hand sanitizer.
My name is Alan, and I made like this card off this movie, the first one. Yeah.
Abby and I in 4th hour Mr. Harmon's and I made this monster out of Scribble.
Hello, my name is Austin Durfee and I'm here with a video of a rocket that I made. I had a little thing like the sun and like a couple other planets. It's pretty cool.
Alright, so I made a black jet. It's got a transparent top on it and it got blasters on it too. And it's got red flames in the back.
I made one, but it has a drill nose and little blasters and extra wings, and then on this part it has the red little flames coming out the bottom and a transparent top right there.
What's that? Oh yeah, amazing monkey. Wow.
So this is my license plate that I made. I just basically did every piece by itself and then grouped it all together. So yeah, it's pretty cool.
Heck yeah, that definitely deserves applause.
Yeah, I don't have it attached yet, but
That's amazing.
Hello, this is Nick from Mr. Harmon's class, and this is a Tinkercad factory that I made.
Hi, my name is Hannah and I'm going to be in Mr. Harmon's 4th hour class. I made Egypt like that. This is over here the sun. These are some people. This person's taking a dip in the water. And then these are some pyramids. That's the sand. And yeah.
Bailey.